Hey, how's everybody doing today? Jomo Jones over at Birthright Property Management. Keeping it strong where it belongs, what we believe in. Just want to talk to you about this project that we got going on today. If you've been following us on YouTube, you saw the beginning of this project. I'm going to put the link in the caption up there where you can check out the before. We just want to show you the progress that has been made since we started on this project. When we first started out on this project, if you look right here, there was a tree that was there. And that tree actually had roots that were running up through the yard. And those roots were running up through the yard. What happened was it kicked the brick pillars out where they were leaning out. Already we've cut down those trees. We've grounded up all the roots. And we've also got brand new brick pillars already put up. Done by a professional bricklayer. Not a bricklayer, but a brick mason. So we've already begun to make progress. Next thing we're going to do new decking board on the porch. We're going to put up our custom black rails. This is one of our trademarks at Birthright Property Management. This right here is the video if you saw it. This right here is the dining room / living room area with two fireplaces. A fireplace over here and a fireplace over here. We decided to keep this plaster up because this plaster was actually in pretty decent condition. But we've already took the ceilings out on both sides. We're down to the bare 2x6s on that. All right, so there's going to be new ceiling on that. Also, total new electrical wiring throughout, as you can see. All right, we're coming along. We're making great progress. Right here, I don't know if you check out the video before. This is the master bedroom. What we've done, we're going to extend the master bedroom closets out. We've raised the ceiling, and also we're going to put lighting in both closets. This is the master bedroom area. As you can see, there's a lot of space in this room. Brand new insulation in the wall and in the ceilings as well. Right here in the master bedroom was a door. You could just walk right into this bedroom. What we've done now, we're going to block this access off here with the with sheetrock, and we made a door to come through the other side, which I'll show you in the video. The bathroom has already been totally gutted out. Looking good. Down to the cast iron tub, which we're going to keep the cast iron tub. Also, it had a round frame in here. We squared off the frame in here. So, it's going to look awesome. All right. Let's go. Here's another bedroom here, which I won't go into that bedroom, but we extended out the closet, and we've also took out some of the sheetrock in this bedroom as well. So, this is the master bedroom. This is the second bedroom. All right. Look at this. Look at this. The kitchen is looking great. The progress is already happening with the kitchen. I don't know if you recall, but there was a sink over here. There was a hot water heater over here. There was a gas stove over here. As you can see, that's already been switched out. All right. These are our electricians right here. One of our electricians here. What we've already done, the floors were sloped down. We went all the way down to put up new joists and brand new flooring in here. It looks great already. Level flooring. Now we got our true design. I'm going to show you what our design is going to be. This is going to be the kitchen sink right here. We're going to modify this window. This is a kitchen sink. Cabinet countertops, dishwasher, cabinets, countertop, stove. Over here, cabinets, countertop, fridge, and then also another shelf here. All right. So this is going to be a sitting area right over here. It's going to be nice, very nice. Now, remember we talked about in the first video, we was talking about adding the bathroom. Well, we try to stick to our designs. Right here, we've added the bathroom. Right here, as you can see, looks great. This right here is going to be a shower tub combo, bathroom vanity, and toilet. Also, I forgot to point something out. Look how we opened this up. This was like one little door that you can go through here. We've now opened this area up, which is making the kitchen look a whole lot bigger. And we're going to put the double French doors right here. It's going to be nice. Also, we got the rough ends in for the plumbing of the washer and the dryer. These windows here are going to be, these windows will no longer be here. Okay? This right here is the casing to be built just for the hot water heater. we wanted to take it from out of the kitchen area and put it in here so we can have more space in our kitchen. Because we're going to have countertop right here with the floating shelves up top. Right? Remember what I told you about that bedroom that we shut the access off? Well, we now have new access. We can now enter into the bedroom from this side of the house. There's another one of our electricians right here. So, new access right here. Closet. So now we got 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. All right. So you can see what happens with the how it's going up in value just by adding those.